Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, I it's been a while. I've decided on this channel that I'll be creating 2 videos weekly. So I have not dropped a video this week. That's why I'm recording this video for you to share insights. And I believe what I'm about to share with you today will add a value to you if you are a digital marketing person, if you are a freelancer trying to sort out a client problem that is relating to this. So today, basically, I want to show you how you can create custom audience on Facebook for retargeting. If you are running Facebook ads, you need to be able to do remarketing to your audience. And for you to do remarketing to your audience, you need to be able to create custom audience. There are different custom audience that you can create on Facebook and different ways that you can retarget people on Facebook. My own strategy to running Facebook ads over the years is adopting top of the funnel, middle of the funnel, and bottom of the funnel. The top of the funnel is where I gather data for bottom of the funnel, where I will now create audience to retarget at the bottom of the funnel. So at the start of my campaign, I make sure that I'm gathering data so that when I'm ready to create retargeting campaign using my custom audiences that I've created, I will have valuable data. So there are different ways that you can create custom audience, just like I said. So I'm on Facebook Ads Manager. When you go to Facebook Ads Manager, you come to audiences. When you come to your Facebook Ads Manager, just go to audiences, and it will bring you to this place. If you don't have existing audience, it will bring you to this place. So if for this my account, I haven't created any audience. That's why I'm having blank. Can you see create custom audience, create lookalike audience? I'm going to create a new video on lookalike audiences. So Facebook said connect with account center accounts who have already showed an interest in your business or product with custom audience. You can create an audience from your customer contacts, website traffic, or mobile app. So basically, if you want to create custom audience, the custom audience are people that have interacted with your business in different ways. So let's go to create custom audience. Can you see? You can create custom audience from website source. Can you see? Connect with people who have already showed interest in your business. Maybe you are running campaign, people that have landed, you are running awareness campaign, or you build data of awareness campaign, and you want to retarget people that have landed on your website. So you can use websites. If you are running app, imagine you having in-app purchase, create custom audience of people people who have launched your app or game or taking a specific action using it, such as purchasing an item. You can create custom audience of people that have installed your app, that have initiated a purchase item on your app or sign up or anything. This is catalog. Catalog is create custom based on people who have interacted with items from your catalog. Basically, this is your e-commerce brand. This is customer lists. This is customer list. Customer lists are people like this. Let me show you this. Imagine you having a data of people, of emails of people like this. These are customer lists. If you have existing data like this, offline activity, create an audience of people who have interacted with your business in-store, over the phone, or other offline channel. You can even create, they said meta sources. You can create custom audience of people that have watched video on your channel and use it for retargeting. You can create lead form. You can create instant experience shopping, augmented reality, Instagram account, people that have interacted with your Instagram account with an event you hosted. with a Facebook page, with with on Facebook listing. So basically, for the sake of this video, let's try out websites. Let's create custom audience of people that have interacted with your website. You click on the website, you click on next. Once you click on next like this, you select your pixel and put in your website, put in your website here and click on continue. So it is saying on this page, if you are creating this kind of custom audience for your website, you can create custom audience of people. You can create custom audience of people. This one, this guy wants me to select a pixel, and I don't think I have a pixel on this ad account. So events, all website visitors. Do you want to create custom audience of people, or of people, all the people that have landed on your website in the last 30 days? Then you give your audience a name, then you click on create. So if you want to niche down people, you can change it to people who have visited specific pages on your website. So you can, if you want to retarget people that in the last 30 days, the URL contain maybe your thank you page or your checkout page. If you are an e-commerce business, you can make it as specific as possible at this point. You can also come to this place and say visitors by time spent. You can retarget people that have visited by time spent, that have spent like 25% time on your website. You can do 10%, you can do 5%. You can even go as far as selecting specific page, like your thank you page. Let's say URL contain thank you. If you have thank you page, so you can do retargeting of people that they've been on your thank you page for 25%. They scroll to your thank you page for 25%, and you give it a name and you create your audience. So there are different ways you can include people. You can include people, and you can also exclude people. You can also exclude people from your audience depending on what you want. You can exclude people and you can include people from your custom audience. So that's how you can play around creating custom audience from a website. So you can do, basically from this section, you can do all web visitors, people who have visited specific pages. Specific pages can be a thank you page on your website. It can be a checkout page if you are an e-commerce platform. You can even do visitors by time spent, depending if you are creating a custom audience based on web visits. So let's go to another one. Let's click on create custom audience by customer list. So I will upload this customer list. Click on customer list, then click on next. So it's telling me to add a business account. Let's do this. When you add your ad account to a business, let me see. So let's go back, create audience, customer list. Imagine you want to retarget people based on the existing data you have. This data can be people that have made purchase, that they've purchased a product from you as an e-commerce platform, or it can be leads details of people that are your ideal customer and you want to retarget them. This is a quality data. Customer list, creating custom audience of customer list is so powerful. It is so powerful. So what you need to do is to click on this, click on customer list, click on next, then you download. They have a file. The Facebook has this. So Facebook has a file template, but we are not using a file template. So you click on next here, and you upload the file. Let's say you want to upload, this is my file. Then Facebook will glance through it. Does your customer list include a column for customer value? No, I don't have this. If you have this, click on it. Customer value can be the total the value of each product they bought, or the value of each customer to your business. So customer value is the value associated with your customer based on how much or how often they spend towards your business. Adding a customer value as a column in your customer allows you to create a value-based lookalike later on to find people similar to your most valuable customer. So let's click on next. So let's click on next. So you upload the audience. Once you upload your data, you click on next. So then Facebook will map out all this. So can you see now, from the data I've uploaded, Facebook is saying that all the things that are relevant to them there is email, birthday, and phone number. So I can use this data to create retargeting campaign because they are valuable data of my existing customers. Then you click on import and create. So can you see that we've been able to create a custom audience through customer lists? If you create a retargeting campaign for these people, can you see that it is populating now? If you create a customer audience of these people, it will be so powerful because they are your valuable customers. So let's click on create again and go to custom audience. No, I'm not doing this. Let's go to custom audience and let's come here. So imagine you can create custom audience of people that have watched your video. Let's click on video. Imagine you are using a video content. You will just select the video content. Can you see people who view at least 3 seconds of your video, people who view at least 10 seconds of your video, people who either completed or view at least 15 seconds of your video, people who watch at least 25% of your video, people who watch at least 50% of your video, people who have watched at least 75% of your video, people who have watched at least 95% of your video. If I'm going to create custom audience of this kind of thing for retargeting, imagine you have a video creative that have performed well. Because if you come to this place, let's go back there. If you have a video, maybe you are using a video to run a campaign, or you have a particular video on your channel that has performed well, what I will advise you to do is that you create people who have interacted. This is what I do. I create people who have interacted 25%. Because anybody that watch 25% of my video will automatically watch 50%. I will create people who have watched at least 75%, and I will create people who have watched at least 95%. That's almost to the end of the video. That's what I will do. I will click on everything like this. This is what I do. Then what you need to do next is to choose the video. Choose the video from your video will automatically be here. If I don't have any video on my Facebook page now, that's why you can't see this source. Your source is Facebook page. You can change your source to Instagram account if you have any Instagram account. Can you see all these videos here. So you select your video, then you create. It can be from a campaign that you are running. If you have existing campaign, if it's a Facebook page, anyone you want to use, you choose the video. But what I would advise you to do, if you are creating a custom audience of people who have watched video on your channel, create at least 4 people who have watched at least 25% of your video, people who have watched at least 50% of your video, people who have watched at least 75% of your video, people who have watched at least 95% of your video. Then you choose the video here. If the video is on your Facebook page, select the video source to be Facebook page, select the Facebook page here. Then you click on confirm and create. If the video is on your Instagram account, you select your Instagram account, select the ID Instagram account here, then you click on confirm. If you are running an existing campaign on your Facebook, if you are running an existing Facebook campaign and the video is performing very well, you can just search the campaign here, then you use it to create your custom audience, which is very, very easy. So another custom audience you can create is from your Instagram account. Go to Instagram account, click on next, then you say, if I want to build followers, if I want to increase the followers of this page, I can create Instagram account. I can create a custom audience of people that have interacted with my Instagram account. So the source will be the Instagram handle here. Then I'll say everyone who engage with this professional account. Can you see who account center account who started following this account? Include people who started following this account, this Instagram professional account. People who unfollow your Instagram account will be removed. No, everyone who engage with this professional account. So I use this specifically. Anybody that have engaged with my account, who visited this profile or took an action on this post or ads such as likes and anything, I use this for retargeting so much. If I want to build followers, I want to run ad for followership. Anyone who visited this profile account, this includes anyone who visited this Instagram professional account profile, regardless of the action they took. So you can also retarget people. You can do people who sent a message to this profile account. So you can just do, but if you want to create a followership campaign, everyone who engage with this professional account, you can just use this. Include people who visited this profile or took an action on this post. So this is what I use if I want to create custom audience of people that have interacted with my Instagram account and in the last 65 days, and I want to build followership. Then you can do 365 days. You can include more people or exclude more people, anyone you want. Then you give it a name. That's how you can do that. Another one you can do is custom audience of your Facebook page. Let's say Facebook page. So basically, everyone who have engaged with your page in the last 65 days, anyone who currently likes or follow, you can't really do this. Or yes, you can do this if you want to remarket to everybody. Anyone who visited your page, account center account who engage with any of your posts and all this. So basically, it is the same thing for your Facebook page and for your Instagram account. So far, of all this custom audience, for me, based on my experience, this is the most powerful. The website customer lists are the most powerful that I've tried out for a website, for a web-based project that I'm working on. It is usually the website, create custom audience of people that have interacted with your website, or create custom audience of using customer lists. Imagine you having existing data of people that have bought products from your website, and you now want to create retargeting campaign to them using customer lists. That will be so powerful. You can also, I'm not disputing these people. If you can use them very, very well, they are also valuable. So if you have any questions on how you can create custom audience on your through your Facebook page, your Facebook Ads Manager, you can drop a comment on this video. I'm going to provide answers to your questions. I believe you'll be able to gain value in this video. If you are yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel, I will encourage you to do that. Then I'll see you in the next video.